guys, welcome back to day 12 of 21 days to good skin. Okay, before we start today's recipe, guys, it rained I think only where I live. I don't want to disclose that where I live, but yeah, I don't think Delhi got rain anywhere else. But yeah, I hope you're happy and glad to see me back. I've been very annoying and not doing this continuously, but today's ingredient is exceptionally good. We put it in every possible dish in Indian household. Can you guess what? Ingredient for today is ginger, our very own adrak. It is exceptionally good when you eat it, from weight loss to healthening your heart to whatnot. For your skin, it helps improve your elasticity, works on your acne. So we need ginger, of course. I think 2 portions of this much quantity is good enough. We peel it, chop it, and then put it in this pisoing thing, and half a lemon and 3 spoons of honey. Done. I do feel a bit of radiance on my face. I didn't see it before, but after 15-20 minutes I do feel a little difference. I think the idea of adding water to ginger wasn't right because it made the pack very thin.